Oh no, I'm pretty sure my 100 subscriber play button is only a 25% overdue. I think we should start making the video stat. Hey guys, here's a furnace. We have a janky lid on our crucible, and we also have our mold right over here, which we're going to cast in. If you're wondering, yes, that's aluminum. It should hopefully be okay. Also using these charcoal briquettes, because they burn a lot slower and they don't put off all those sparks, so this is hopefully a lot safer. And we won't have to replace the charcoal nearly as much. We're melting some cans. Shoot, that's how. This has actually been not too far, so I would say don't use much charcoal, just because it burns all way so fast. I gotta get this in fast. Woo. This is gonna be a horrible cast. Now get away.
Oh, it's hot. It's hot.
We're cooling this down with a watering can. It's very safe, and then we're gonna polish it off. I really wanna like drink from that. It looks like good water, but
it kinda does.
It looks like a hot spring. Because it is.
But it's covered in aluminum and debris.
Yum, yum, yum. Okay, so here's the play button. And we're basically destroying this Dremel bit because we're sanding it off. And this is a horrible noise. Right now we're polishing the play button. Or not polishing. I'm removing excess material with this Dremel tool. And I'll show you right now. Hey guys, so here's the 100 subscriber play button, which I'm really excited that it's finally done. Not only because it was really cool to make, but also because it means that I have 100 people watching my content. And I know that's shameful compared to most YouTube channels, but if you really think about it, 100 people is quite a lot. Now, with all of your astute observation skills, you may notice that this is the gallium play button case, and that is very true, and that's because I usually have my gallium play button in the refrigerator. That's because I don't want it to melt and then have a giant puddle of gallium to clean up. So it's going to take residence in this case. Okay, I'm going to start reading the questions. Did you watch Grant's video before you made the Foundry video? Yes I did. But I should have watched some of his other videos. You committed a failed murder attempt on me so you could try and make a YouTube play button. This better be worth it. If you're wondering, that's a friend from the last furnace video who got burned with the molten aluminum. Okay, what's your favorite video game and will you do gaming videos? My favorite video game by far is Super Mario Galaxy 2. It's the best game. It's better than Wii Sports. It's better than Minecraft. It's better than even Roblox. And I don't know if I'll do gaming videos. Definitely not on this channel. Maybe I'll make a second channel or something. Tell me if you'd actually want to see gaming videos. Because gaming videos, in my opinion, they're pretty boring. Ooh, this looks like a good question. Q&A questions. Why did you first start your YouTube channel? When I was in first grade, I always wanted to make videos. I wanted to make Minecraft videos, of course, though. But I didn't even know how to make them. So I've always really wanted to make YouTube videos. When I found a channel named Peter Schriepel, it really got me interested in different types of engineering and that stuff. What kind of content were you planning on making when you first started your YouTube channel? And I was planning on making stuff a lot like Peter Schriepel's, which it kind of is, but it has a lot more of stuff like Cody's Lab in it now. I will post both of those channels down below, both Cody's Lab and Peter Schriepel, because they're some of my favorite channels. What kind of content do you plan on doing in the future? Okay, so they suggest bees, vlogs, melting metal, and cat and gaming. So once again, if you want gaming, I'll do it on a second channel. I don't know if anybody would want that. For the bee stuff, I could make tons of videos on bee stuff just because it's so easy to make. However, I don't want to oversaturate my channel with bee content because I don't want this to just be a bee channel. So maybe if I do a second channel, I'll post some bee content there. But I'll always post beekeeping videos on this channel, and I'll probably keep the theme of the channel the same. Okay, here's a very long question to answer. Where did you get your username? So, this is a long story, so... Hey guys, I lost a clip of me explaining this, but basically how it went. I was at my friend's house, and then his brother made me join this secret society named Cookieglue. And in 3rd grade, when I went to go make my Scratch username, I remembered Cookieglue out of somewhere in my mind. And a while later, in 4th grade, the friend whose house I was at reminded me of where the username came from. And so that's how I got my username. But just to make it clear, Cookieglue does not have to do with any of those sketchier videos that you find when you look up Cookieglue. I hope everybody knows that. Thank you all for watching this video, guys. It's kind of amazing that I have 100 people watching my videos. And oh no, the camera fell. So this may have tons of marks in it. I don't really care about that. What I care about is that I got 100 subscribers. I can't even put this back in. And so you know what? Make sure to like, share, subscribe so I can get to 1K so I can make an even crazier play button. But this is amazing. So thank you very much for watching and have a nice day. Last thing to mention is I'm trying to keep a weekly schedule and trying to upload every Friday. But just don't rely on that schedule too much because this is only going to be the second pattern of the upload schedule.